Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to export chat history on Microsoft Teams in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're going to do, of course, we have to sign in or log in our account on Microsoft Teams. And yeah, so you have a lot of options here: the chat, meet, communities, calendar, and also activity. But our point here is how to export a chat history, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do is go to the new tab and you have to search for Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft export data. So So you just have to select the first one, guys, this one. Click that one. Okay, so it will take you to the export or delete your data in Microsoft Teams free. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just have to, as you can see, there are a lot of options here, but you just have to select this one, the general export and delete. So it will show you the steps how to export your data. So step one, go to this link and sign in your account, and just have to click select the download your data and select create new archive. So click this link, guys. So it will take you to your Microsoft account, and for me it shows that I don't have data on my location and other browsing and search data and apps access. So if you have some data, guys, on your Microsoft account, it will show you the create a new archive. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.